In this video, we will see wiring guide and basic setup. Prerequisites. Before we begin, make sure you have the required setup: the flight controller, the RDIPU unit, and all connection cables. For this setup, we have configured our power supply to 48 volts. Now let's move to the wiring sequence. This is the PWM cable, used for throttle input. Connect the PWM signal wire from the IPU input to the assigned motor output pin on the flight controller. Next, we'll look at the CAN wiring, used for telemetry and throttle control. Now, connect CAN-H on the IPU to the CAN-H on the flight controller, and similarly CAN-L to CAN-L. Make sure your ground lines are shared between the both devices. This ensures a stable CAN bus. Power cable identification. Always ensure a secure connection and verify voltage before powering the system. Now, power up. Please note, the PWM bind range is greater than 800 and up to 1035 microseconds, and the IPU unit will remain bound until powered down. Now listen for Reflex Drive's startup tone. This startup tone confirms successful system initialization. Finally, using the motor test page, we'll apply 10% throttle to verify operation. Dual throttle input. Our IPU supports both PWM and drone CAN throttle control. By default, it comes set to PWM mode, and you can switch the throttle source using the Drone CAN GUI tool. We'll cover this dual input feature in detail in an upcoming video. That's it for this quick demo video. Thank you.